Good morning students. How are you doing? I hope you all are doing great. Yes students, today I am going to start a new lesson, that is universe and the solar system. Yes students, what do you see in the sky during the day? Yes, we can see the shining sun in the sky during the day. Is it? Yes. Then what do you see in the sky during at night? Yes, we can see the moon and the shining stars. Is it? Yes students, here the universe is made up of the sun, the moon, the stars, the planets and other heavenly objects. Then the solar system. Yes, the word solar means of the sun. The word solar means of the sun. Thus solar system means the family of the sun. The family of the sun. The family of the sun. Yes students, our solar system consists of the sun and 8 major planets. Sun and 8 major planets. Yes students, come let's take a closer look at our solar system.
See students, this is how our solar system looks like. You can see 8 planets revolving around the sun. You can see the sun at the center. Here sun is the main source of light for all the planets. Here planets do not have light of their own. They reflect the light of the sun. Yes students, this is our solar system.
Yes students, our solar system consists of the sun and 8 planets. Yes students, we already know about sun. Yes, sun gives us both light and heat. Sun is made up of very hot gases and we all know sun is a star. Stars are heavenly bodies that have light of their own. Okay, yes, we already know about sun. The next 8 planets. Yes, our solar system consists of the sun and 8 planets. Here the word planet means wanderer. Wanderer means traveler. Okay, yes students, we already saw our 8 planets revolving around the sun. Is it? Yes, planets are heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun in fixed path. That is called orbits. Okay. Yes. 8 planets that revolve around the sun in fixed path called orbits. Yes, we already know sun is the main source of light for all the planets because planets do not have light of their own. They reflect the light of the sun. Is it? Yes students, there are 8 planets in the solar system. There are 8 planets in the solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, these are the 8 planets in the solar system.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are the 8 planets in the solar system.
Yes students, you have to study the name of the 8 planets. We will discuss more about these planets in our next class. Okay students, we will see in our next class. Thank you.